In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a MetaMask wallet. If you're locked out of your wallet but still have your secret recovery phrase, this walkthrough will get you back in safely. Before we start, make sure you're on a private, trusted computer and network. Your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your crypto. Never share it with anyone and never paste it into chats, forums, or websites other than the official MetaMask interface. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to the official MetaMask site or the MetaMask portfolio page. Double-check the URL to avoid phishing sites and consider using a bookmark you trust. Once the page loads, open the MetaMask extension by clicking the MetaMask icon in your browser's extensions toolbar. This should bring up the MetaMask window. If you're at the lock screen, look for the link to reset access. Click Forgot Password. This doesn't change anything on the blockchain, it simply lets you unlock the wallet again on this device using your secret recovery phrase. Next, choose the option indicating you have a recovery phrase. Select the phrase length that matches yours, such as 12, 13, or 15 words, according to what you originally backed up. It needs to match exactly. Carefully enter your secret recovery phrase. Type each word in the correct order using lowercase letters and separate them with single spaces. Watch out for misspellings or extra spaces. If a word looks off, check it against your original backup card or document. Never rely on checker websites or paste your phrase anywhere other than this secure field in MetaMask. Now create a new password for this device. This password encrypts the wallet locally and is required each time you unlock MetaMask on this computer. Choose a strong, unique password you haven't used elsewhere. Confirm the same password to ensure there are no typos. When everything looks good, click Restore. MetaMask will process the phrase and rebuild your wallet on this device. Give it a moment. After it completes, you should see your wallet interface again. Balances may take a short time to update, and some assets or networks might not appear immediately. That's normal. They're tied to your addresses, and you can view them as the wallet finishes syncing or after you select the appropriate network. If any tokens don't display right away, they can be added later by selecting them from MetaMask's token list. That's it. You've recovered your MetaMask wallet. Keep your secret recovery phrase stored offline in a secure place and never share it. Your new password protects this device, but the phrase is what truly controls access, so handle it with care. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.